What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to compare Activecampaign and Mailchimp. Activecampaign and Mailchimp are popular email marketing platforms catering to different needs. Activecampaign excels in advanced automation and customization, making it ideal for growing business. In contrast, Mailchimp offers a user-friendly interface and a free plan appealing to beginners and small businesses seeking straightforward email marketing solutions. Now, let's take a look at some of their top features. Let's start with Activecampaign. Intelligent Marketing Automation. Activecampaign's intelligent marketing automation allows businesses to create seamless customer experiences through advanced workflows. With features like conditional routing and an AI-powered builder, users can develop complex automations that save time and enhances engagement. This level of automation not only streamlines marketing efforts, but also drives significant growth by effectively nurturing leads and increasing conversions. Personalized email marketing. Activecampaign's personalized email marketing tools help business deliver targeted content that resonates with their audience. By utilizing personalization tags and dynamic content, users can tailor emails based on customer preferences and behaviors. This approach significantly boosts engagement rates, ensuring that each email feels relevant and timely, ultimately leading to higher open and click-through rates. Omnichannel marketing. The omnichannel marketing feature allows businesses to connect with customers across various platforms, including email, SMS, and social media. This integrated approach ensures consistent messaging and enhances customer engagement by meeting audiences where they are most active. By leveraging multiple channels, businesses can create a cohesive brand experience that increases visibility and fosters customer loyalty. Audience management. Activecampaign's audience management capabilities enable businesses to effectively segment their contacts based on specific criteria. This feature allows for more targeted campaigns by grouping contacts according to behaviors, interest, or demographics. By utilizing tags and attributes, users can automate communication strategies that resonate with distinct audience segments, improving overall marketing efficiency and effectiveness. Now, let's dive into the top features of Mailchimp. Smart Marketing Automation. Mailchimp's smart marketing automation tools streamline your marketing efforts by automating repetitive tasks. With features like Customer Journey Builder, users can create personalized email campaigns that respond to customer behavior. This automation not only saves time but also enhances engagement, resulting in up to 7 times more orders compared to traditional bulk emails, driving significant revenue growth. AI-powered insights. Mailchimp's AI tools provide businesses with valuable insights by analyzing customer data and generating actionable recommendations. The Intuit Assist feature helps automate campaign creation, allowing users to produce personalized content at scale. By leveraging AI, businesses can enhance targeting strategies, leading to increased click rates and improved customer engagement through tailored messaging that resonate with the audience. Audience segmentation tools. Mailchimp offers robust audience segmentation tools that allow businesses to categorize contacts based on various criteria such as demographics and behavior. This targeted approach enables marketers to send personalized messages that resonate with specific segments, improving engagement rates. Effective segmentation ensures that the right content reaches the right people, ultimately enhancing the effectiveness of marketing campaigns. Comprehensive analytics reporting. Mailchimp's analytics and reporting tools provide in-depth insights into campaign performance, helping businesses track key metrics like open rates and click-through rates. These analytics enable marketers to refine their strategies based on real-time data, ensuring continuous improvement. By understanding what works and what doesn't, businesses can make informed decisions that drive better results and optimize future campaigns. Now let's talk about some of their drawbacks. Let's start with Activecampaign. Activecampaign's extensive features can be overwhelming for newcomers to email marketing. The platform's complexity may intimidate users who are unfamiliar with advanced marketing tools, making it a challenging choice for those seeking straightforward solutions. The steep learning curve can lead to frustration and inefficiency, potentially hindering effective campaign execution for less experienced marketers. Unlike many competitors, Activecampaign does not offer a free plan, only a 14-day trial. This limitation can deter potential users who wish to explore the platform without financial commitment. A short trial period may not provide enough time to fully assess the software's capabilities, leading to uncertainty about investing in a paid subscription. Activecampaign's pricing can escalate quickly as your subscriber list grows, making it one of the more expensive options in the market. While it offers robust features, smaller businesses or startups may find the cost prohibitive, particularly if they need advanced functionalities. This pricing model can limit accessibility for those on tighter budgets, impacting their marketing strategy. On the other hand, Mailchimp's free plan has become increasingly restrictive, now allowing only 500 subscribers and 1,000 email sends per month. This significant reduction from previous offerings limits its utility for small businesses or startups looking to explore email marketing without financial commitment. As a result, users may feel pressured to upgrade to paid plans prematurely. Mailchimp's pricing structure can quickly escalate as your contact list grows. While the initial cost appears low, businesses with larger lists may face hefty monthly fees ranging from $20 to over $1,600 depending on the number of contacts. This can make Mailchimp an expensive option for companies aiming to scale their email marketing efforts. Many of Mailchimp's advanced features are locked behind higher tier plans, which can be frustrating for users on lower plans. Essential tools like A/B testing and advanced segmentation are often unavailable unless you pay significantly more. This tiered approach can restrict the effectiveness of marketing campaigns for users who cannot afford premium pricing. In conclusion, choosing between Mailchimp and Activecampaign depends on your specific needs. Mailchimp is ideal for small businesses seeking an easy-to-use platform with a free plan and basic automation features. In contrast, Activecampaign excels in advanced marketing automation and customization, making it better suited for larger businesses focused on detailed customer journeys and CRM integration. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.